Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Conquer College Admissions. This is Julie, now mentoring high school students to get accepted into their dream colleges using passion projects. In this video, I'm going to share with you something really special, and that is I'm going to be interviewing my Ivy League formula student and asking her experiences working with me inside the Ivy League formula program, what she was able to accomplish in the 6 months, because it is a 6-month program, and also how she was able to get her passion project brainstormed, executed, and also published. So before we get started and before I share the interview with you, I want to share a little bit about the Ivy League Formula program. So the Ivy League Formula program is our 6-month intensive college consulting program, where our #1 focus is to help you create a standout factor, land research position, intern position, network with colleges, get your passion project up and running, scale it, all that good stuff. So what that means is we're gonna spend 6 months to work on what's actually going to help you stand out, which means we are really looking for students who are committed, motivated, and really serious about getting accepted into their dream Ivy League and top tier colleges. And I must say I'm really grateful because I attract so many of those students into this program. Now, we open this program once or twice a year, and we are opening our next round mid-March, okay? So what you can do is, if you're interested, is to put yourself on the Ivy League Formula program waitlist. We are only accepting 30 students this round, which means that once the 30th student registers, we will be closing doors to the Ivy League Formula program. And in the past, we've always had students and parents ask, like, can we join even though the deadline's over? And we're really going to say no. So the next step that you can take is to put yourself on the wait list, and you could do that at www.juliekimconsulting.com/waitlist. Also, in the meantime, if you want to learn how my students get accepted into Stanford, UPenn, USC, UMich, so many more of these amazing colleges, you can register for our free training, www.juliekimconsulting.com/masterclass. Inside the free training, you'll learn 4 strategies that you can use to create a standout factor as well. All right, so I'm really excited to share my student with you. And so let's go to the interview.
Well, hi, I'm Nikki, and I'm 15 and currently a sophomore, and I go to school in Ohio. Okay, so my academic interest is biology, so I hope to pursue a career in the medical field when I grow up. And my personal interest is educating kids, mainly. That's my focus. And what I want to do is make an impact. That's my goal.
We're just going to ask you guys questions about your passion project, because I think what you guys are both working on are really unique. So Nikki, why don't you go ahead and share with us what is your passion project all about? And then we'll get into the story and anything else that you'd like to share.
Okay, so my passion project is called the Rising Youth, and it's basically provides an opportunity for underprivileged children to grow and expand their passions or interests in the field of science and health. And I do this through like various science experiments and activities that they may not get to like do or have an opportunity to perform in their schools. And right now, since we're all at home due to the pandemic, I started my YouTube channel, which is also called The Rising Youth, and it's just like fun and simple educational science and health related videos for kids of all ages to watch. And it's really right now, since I'm trying to keep it like current, so right now I'm working on a coronavirus series, and it just spreads awareness and different things you can do and what you should be doing.
Yeah, and I think a lot of students tend to think like, oh, because of the COVID-19 crisis, like there's nothing I can do. But you actually pivoted your passion project so that, you know, you are creating that online presence and starting a YouTube channel and helping out the kids. And then when all of this is over, you can go back to like in-person trainings and sessions. So it's great. So I think a lot of students and parents think like, oh my gosh, starting a passion project sounds daunting. It's a lot of work, and like they have a lot of fears and doubts around it. So, and I'm sure you guys both felt the same way. So what were some of the things that you guys were feeling like in the beginning, like when you guys even heard about passion projects?
Well, when I first heard about passion projects, I was like, oh gosh, it's like a lot, like I don't know where to start and everything. But really, when you break it down and you find what you're passionate about and what you love, and having your personal interests, academic interests, and what your goal is, and tying it all together really helped me be like, okay, this is what I'm passionate about. I love teaching children. I love biology. And I just like put it together. And then all of these ideas started springing about, I can do this, I can do this. And like everything just becomes easier once you find that core, or like what you're really passionate about.
And all the things that you guys are sharing right now, you guys can actually talk about them in your college essays. You know, like you guys are building evidence and story around your passion project, and storytelling is really the way to win your application. You know, obviously they're not looking for like just a list of things that you did, you know, so awesome. So anything that you guys want to share about your passion project?
Well, for me, kind of like what you said, it was like my parents found out about the program. They're like, they told me about it, and I was like, yeah, that sounds interesting. So I joined, and it was really like the first class itself, like sitting with so many students that are just as motivated as you, and it's like crazy just to be in an environment where everyone's like contributing to the same end goal, which is like obviously to go to your dream college and like pursue a career in the future and what you're interested in. And I think for me, like one of the biggest benefits out of this program is definitely the environment and like the students and everyone you work with, because they're also motivating, and just like being with everyone and talking to everyone, just it's like really keeps you on your like, it makes you want to keep working and getting at what you love.
Great. And you guys actually have like a community, right? That you guys all created.
So we have in my group, we have a Instagram like DM group chat, and they're all so supportive of each other. Like I put my video out. I was like, hey guys, check this out. Like, let me know what you guys think. Yeah. And they were all like, wow, we really love it. And they like subscribed and liked it. And I was just, it was really nice. They're so nice about it too.
We received support and help with content, talking to your teachers, everything that you don't think is super important gets a special emphasis during the program, and it's super, super useful.
Something about this program that's really unique is that it's not like trying to get into college doing this. It's like finding what you're passionate about and making it your own, and that's gonna help you. It's just like a byproduct almost. But I felt like that's something that's unique about it.
What has been your biggest takeaway in the program?
My biggest takeaway is definitely starting the Rising Youth. I love it. I love working on it and just like doing everything for it, and having like a supportive, like both Julie and the rest of the team is so supportive about it, and like getting advice and any feedback is so like nice, because I didn't think like it was gonna like jumpstart so fast. I thought it was gonna take like time and effort, but I made one video, then I like loved it so much I made the next one, and I just like keep going now. So that's my biggest takeaway.
Yeah, we move things really, really quickly. We're like, all right, like we're done with the theme, so let's start, you know?
Yeah, they're really good about like keeping us going too. Like, okay, now next thing, we're ready now, keep it going.
Yeah. And I think when everyone comes into the class and you know that someone brings in their work, you're like, okay, like I need to get to work here. Like you sense that too, so awesome. Wasn't that amazing? I'm so proud of her, and I'm so proud of my Ivy League formula students and the results that they're able to get. We actually have a running cohort right now of this program, and they're also getting amazing results as well. So again, the Ivy League Formula Program 6-month intensive college consulting program will open doors. Right now it is closed, but we will be opening it in March. And if you want to be the very first person to know, make sure to put yourself on the wait list, again at www.juliekimconsulting.com/waitlist. and I'll be back here with another video very soon. Have a really good day. Bye!